Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you are a returning subscriber or someone who's been here more than once, welcome back. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm subscription for the month of July. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-size products each month for $21, and the box has a value of over $100. Now, Boxycharm has been one of my favorite subscription boxes since I have subscribed to them. But I can tell you, even starting off this month, I'm a little bit disappointed. Normally, we receive our box and it's in a nice sleek black box with the words Boxycharm on the front. So this month, when I received my box, it came in this packaging, just the plain brown box. And I wasn't sure if there was a box inside, but it sounded like the items were kind of moving around. So I did pop the top. I didn't take anything out, but I popped it just to peek in and see, and all the items are just inside of this box. So of course, I'm a little bit disappointed with that because it kind of takes away from the aesthetic of the box and the excitement that I usually feel when I receive the box. But anyhow, let's go ahead and take a look in here and see what we got this month. Really not happy at all. Okay, the first, is there even, let's see. Yep, there is a card in here. Okay. Each month in Boxycharm, they send you a card with the theme for the month, and this month is Boxycharm Au Naturel. And on the other side, it lists all the products that we received inside of the box this month. So the first item that I pulled out is an Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, a nourishing prebiotic green mask, and that's all it says. Let's see. Feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. And it says apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. This will come in handy. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I enjoy masks and I use them several times a week, so this will be a nice addition. Now, the next item that we are pulling out is Luxy Gaia. Oh, it's okay. Brush is included, so this is a brush set. And let's see. 3-piece brush set. Luxy Gaia, I think that's how you pronounce it. 3-piece brush set. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxy brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxy 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxy 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxy 246 precision crease brush. So let's go ahead and pull them out and take a look at the brushes. I always love a good brush. And I do like some of the ones we've received from Luxy in the past. So, okay, those are nice. They have like a wooden, the handles are kind of a wooden feel. And that is the 250 large eye blending brush. This is the precision crease brush, which is perfect to get eyeshadow in some of the small places or precisely on the crease. And then this one is the 510 foundation brush. Now, I don't typically use these too much for foundations. I typically dab my foundation on with my finger and then take one of my other brushes and blend it out. And then when I put on the second layer, I use my beauty blender. But anyway, that's a 3-piece set, which is nice. Okay. Next, I'm pulling out a Butter London, it looks like eyeshadow palette. Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And that's what that looks like. It's the front, and that's the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. This is pretty, very pretty. It has some, looks like 2 mattes and 4 shimmery type shades. And it has a mirror at the top, and then there are your colors. I guess I could go ahead and swatch these. You know, I'm actually not going to swatch them because I have quite a few palettes and I have colors that are very similar to this. So I may pass this on to someone else or put it in a giveaway, so I don't want to go ahead and stick my finger in and swatch. But these are, I love this blue here. And these pink shimmers are nice as well for a lid look. Okay, this is a nice little palette. Okay, the products in the box so far are pretty decent. Like I said, my disappointment just comes with the box. And like I told you, it really does take away from the thrill of receiving the box for me. I've never, in all the time that I've received Boxycharm, been in the least bit disappointed. But this month, I must say I'm a little bit heartbroken. But it's all good. Things happen. I understand that. Next, we have from Appeal, a gel eyeliner. And the color is Desert Taupe. And again, it looks like the color is on the end and it looks like a burgundy brownish shade. And again, I don't want to open that because I know I have a liner in this similar color to this. So if anything, I'll pass this on as well or put it in a giveaway. The last thing in the box is from Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. That gloss is absolutely beautiful though. It looks like a mix between a purple and a pink, and it's a little bit of shimmer in there. Juicy shade shifting lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and camellia oil. This mother of pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect and completely non-sticky. This I'm going to pop open because I know it's the gloss I'm going to keep. So let's see how that looks. I have lipstick and gloss on, or otherwise I would put it on. I don't know why. I always forget to take that off before filming these videos so I can do a try on for you guys. It looks, you can see the shimmer in it. It looks more, and I put it on my hand like that, it definitely looks more like a light brown shade to me. I'm not sure what color would reflect over lipstick, but it's absolutely, it's nice. Like I said, I like the little shimmer in it. Feels like a normal gloss to me. It's not super sticky. I'll definitely be using this over my lipsticks. I love putting gloss over, whether it be satin or matte. So anyway, enough of me rambling. That is everything we got in the box besides, what is this? I guess the Skin Bar Plus Elements, ready for a flash facial. I guess it's a coupon for something going on at Ulta. That's what it looks like anyway. And then that's it, guys. Like I said, this box, not happy with the box, but the contents in the box for me are just okay this month. Like I said, a couple of the items I'll probably wind up putting in a future giveaway. The mask I'll keep for myself. The lip gloss I'll keep for myself. The brushes I'm not sure because I have a ton of brushes, so this may go in a future giveaway as well. But anyway, guys, that's everything. Let me just move that box out of my way because it's just making me want to cry. But anyway, guys, that's all that was inside of Boxycharm for this month. If you received Boxycharm, or if you had the same issue with the box, the packaging for the box itself, let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you receive Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box this month. And for those of you who don't receive it, if you'd like some more information or if you'd like to subscribe to Boxycharm, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for today. If you would hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you leave, I would definitely appreciate it. But until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.